These are our snowshoes that we have here at the school. They're Red Wing aluminum framed modern snowshoes. We have number 22s, 25s, 30s, and 36s. I don't have those in here right now though. They're rated according to the weight of the individual using them. The 22s can go up to a 150-pound person. The 25s can go up to a 175-pound person. The 30s are up to 220 pounds, and the 36s for anybody over 220 pounds. So that's the way that you check to make sure that you get the size right. You can go to a larger size, it's just going to be larger on your foot. Most of us will be in the 22s or the 25s. Pick out your snowshoes, make sure that you try and get the same number. Okay, I think they're all numbered, but that way you make sure you get the right and the left. There is a right and left on these. The straps, the buckles need to be on the outside of the foot, so make sure that when you get them that you get a right one and a left one. If the numbers don't match up, that's okay. These numbers, make sure you have a 22 if you're grabbing, not odd numbered as far as the numbers of the snowshoes. First thing you want to do when you get your snowshoes is you want to undo the binding so that way you're ready to slip your own foot in these. Now when you get them, as you take a look, somebody just slipped their foot out of here and left it all bound up. So what we have to do is we have to go through the process of loosening everything up so that way we can get our snow boots inside here. Okay, so you're going to loosen up the toe strap right here. It may have a plastic rubber gasket here that you're supposed to tuck the extra underneath. Make sure that's out of the way when you adjust. To adjust the mid-foot or the top of the foot strap, you're going to undo it back here. Again, undo it from the gasket. Pull on this if you have to. Feed it through. Feed it through. Loosen these all up. Alright. And then on this back heel strap, you need to undo it from the gasket, pop it off of the silver stud right here, and then pull it through so that way you can get your foot in there. Alright, I wouldn't take it all the way out, but I would loosen it up as best you can. Alright. From there then make sure both of them are on there. There is a right foot and a left foot. You want the buckles to the outside of the foot. So this one is a right foot because the buckles are on the right side of it. So you want to make sure when you grab these that you grab a right and a left. Alright, so you're going to have your boots on. Now, I just got one on for demonstration purposes. And you have all your straps loosened up as much as you can, and your heel strap loosened up also. You're going to take your boot and slide it into here, and you may have to grab your straps and lift them up. You want to slide it in so that your toes are over the opening, and the toe of the toe strap is across here, and then you can start snugging things up. Get your heel strap around the back of your boot, pull it snug, and then into the silver buckle back here so it holds it into place. And then tighten up the rest of your straps. And you may have to grab the straps and help feed them through. Grab the tail of them, snug them up, and then stick them inside the rubber gaskets here so that those tails aren't flopping around and loosening up as you're walking. Again, make sure that you have the right one on the right side and the left one on the left side. And this is what it should look like once you get your snowshoe on. You want it snug enough that when you go to step, it's going to go with you and it's not going to be flopping around. Okay, it's not wobbling around and stuff. And then you get your other one on and you're ready to go. To take them off the snowshoes, then just reverse the process of putting them on. Pull the tails out of the gaskets, lift up on the clips, pull the straps through as especially this one. Make sure you get it loosened all the way up. Unloosen the heel strap and then carefully slide your foot out, and then you can hang them up on the cart and you're ready to go.